What's up everyone? Welcome back to the worst cooking show, the best cooking show on the internet. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some bomb shrimp fried rice and some pineapple chicken without all the BS chemicals and ingredients that make you fat. So if you're trying to lose weight and trying to eat healthier, stay tuned. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me for more recipes. Alright, so I already have my rice cooking. I have 1.5 cups of white rice cooking in there. And in the meantime, I'm gonna start prepping my chicken. First thing I'm gonna do is grab a pineapple chunks can. This is the 20-ounce can. And then I'm gonna use the juice. So make sure that you get the pineapple chunks in pineapple juice. I'm getting the one that has like 0 grams of added sugar, just to make it better for you. And then save the pineapple chunks for later. Next thing I'm gonna do is add some soy sauce. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Then we're gonna add about 1/4 cup of raw honey. Then you just want to mix it. As you mix it, it's good to like try it and make sure it has a good flavor that is sweet but also not extremely sweet. So that's why I added the honey little by little. Alright, and once you reach that good balance of sweet and sour, the last thing I'm going to add is some crushed red peppers. And I'm going to save about 1/2 cup of this juice. And this I'm going to use it for later. Okay, now that our sauce is done, I'm gonna start cutting the chicken. So just grab like 2 pieces of chicken breast and cut it into small pieces. This is a chicken full of steroids right there. Alright, once you're done cutting your chicken, just put it on the pineapple juice mixture or whatever. And then we're just gonna cover it and put it in the fridge and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. The longer the better. Okay, now that the chicken is marinating, we're gonna start frying with the onion. We're gonna start by cutting it in half. We're gonna cut the 2 ends, and the last thing we're gonna do is take the middle part out. And what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna try to cut it in little triangles shape. And just like that. Next thing we're gonna cut is a red pepper. Take both of the ends out. Take the middle part out. Cut this little white parts out. And then this, we're gonna cut it into little squares. Just like that. And you can also do the same thing with the end parts. It's not gonna come out like little perfect squares, but you can still use it. And the last thing we're going to cut is some green onions. Alright, my rice is already done, so I'm going to start making the fried rice. First thing, I'm going to cook the shrimp. I'm going to put some oil in the pan, and I'm going to add 1 pound of shrimp. I'm going to add some salt, add some pepper, add some garlic powder, and add some ground ginger. And now we're just going to mix it and cook it. Now that the shrimp is fully cooked, I'm going to put it to the side. On the same pan, I'm going to put some oil. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm going to mix that egg. Then we're going to add all the rice. And we're going to mix it. So the way to mix this, what I use is I use these 2 spoons and I just try to like shake it up a little bit. So bring 1 spoon down and then the other one coming towards it and then kind of just lift it up a little bit like this. And what you want to do is pretty much just break all the little balls on the rice. You're probably going to make a mess doing this. The rice is probably going to fly everywhere, but that's okay. Next, we're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. And we're going to continue to mix it. Next, we're going to add some frozen peas and carrots. These are the ones that are already mixed. And we're going to add about 1/4 of a cup too. Continue to mix it. Once the peas and carrots are warm enough, we're going to add the shrimp. And I'm going to throw the green onions. And the last thing I'm going to add is a little bit of sesame oil. Just a small drop. And one last mix. Give it a try. If you feel like it's too plain or it needs a little more salt, you can add some soy sauce, and that should do it. So now that we're done with the shrimp fried rice, we're gonna start making our pineapple chicken. We're gonna put some oil in the pan, and I'm just gonna throw my chicken in the pan without the juice. And now we're just gonna cook this chicken on high. Alright, so my chicken is pretty much fully cooked, and then all the juices are almost gone too. So now I'm gonna add the onions and the red pepper. And the last thing we're going to do is put a little bit of cornstarch on the juice that we put in the separate cup. It's just a little bit, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. We're going to mix it, and we're just gonna add the sauce on the chicken. Now we're gonna cook it until all the sauce thickens. And if it gets too thick, it's probably because you put too much cornstarch, so maybe just add a little bit of water. Okay, and after your sauce is nice and thick, the last thing we're going to do is add the pineapples. Add probably about half of the can, or all of it if you want. One last mix, and it's ready to go. Alright guys, and there you have it. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos that's gonna help you improve your health, eat better. And yeah, give it a try. Let me know what you think about these recipes and suggestions. Leave them in the comment section below. And thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.